Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see what are layer comps in Photoshop and how to use and export them using Photoshop. So well, as you can see, this is the image that we are going to work with today. And what is layer comps? It's basically a easy tool that Photoshop provides to us to export different files from one single image, or you can say different options that we are providing our clients using one single image. So suppose this is the image that we have to provide to the clients, but then you have a second thought. You think that what if I just go to adjustments, and with hue and saturation, what if I just change the color? Would it look nice, or like whatever? So if you have second thoughts and you want to give other options to your clients or to the people whom you are presenting the particular image or presentation for that matter, for that you'll have to do is just flatten this image, then save it, and then again delete this particular file, and then again flatten the same image, and then again save it with a different name. So as you can clearly guess, it's kind of a hard work, and you just have to do the complete procedure all over again of flattening the image, then saving it, naming it, saving it to a directory. It's a lot of task, and you just don't want to waste your time and efforts on that. So for that, Photoshop provides you this easy feature called as layer comps. So to access layer comps feature, what you have to do is just go to window. Under window, we have this option called as layer comps just above the option of layers. So tap on layer comps, and this separate you can say window appears over here, which has some headings, you can say, as layer comps and notes. So we have to go to layer comps, which is already opened by default. So with layer comps selected, what we are going to do is just tap on this plus icon to add a particular layer comp. So I'll add this one, and I'll name it as, let's say, option 1. So this is the particular layer comp in which the color is changed, the hue and saturation is changed, and this is called as option 1. And there are some checkboxes over here which you need to tick depending upon your requirements, but I suggest you tick all of these tick boxes. So basically the first one is visibility. So if you have these eyeballs, or what you can say, the visibility icons turned on and off, it is going to save all that information. If you don't have this, it is going to save everything that is visible or not visible. It doesn't matter, it will just save everything. Same way with the position. If you want to save the exact same position that the object is right now on, you can work with this one, else it will just save the default position. Same goes with the appearance, that is layer style, which is you can say drop shadows or strokes or gradients, anything. And less comp selection for smart objects. So even if there are some smart objects in your particular file, it will get saved. And like basically all of these need to be checked so that you don't encounter any trouble while creating the layer comp. So once done, you can just click on OK, and as you can see, a layer comp with the name of option 1 has been saved. Now if I want to create option 2, which is this original image for the time being, what we can do is just again tap on this plus icon, again make sure that everything is checked, and I'll save this one with the name of option 2. And once I click on OK, I've got my second layer comp as well. Same way you can add with various different combinations and adjustments. You can add a lot of layer comps, and you can just scroll around through all the options that you can provide. So this is option 1 and option 2. It's that easy. You can work around even more. So if you want to change, suppose if I go to option 1, and if I feel that I want to change even more, so I can just go to this particular hue and saturation box, or whatever I'm doing, and I can reduce the density, or for that matter, even if I add something. So let's change the hue even more. So for that matter, if I work with this one, as you can see, now everything is changed. I can just tap on option 1, and I can just hit on this one which says update layer comp. So it will get updated, and now this is your new layer comp. which has all this information. So this is option 1 and this is option 2. So this is how you can use layer comps for your benefit, where your work will be reduced, your efforts will be reduced, and even the time for doing all that work is going to get reduced. So now once all the options are selected and once you're done with creating all the options and layer comps, now to export it, just go to File. Under File we have the option of Export. Under Export we have the option of layer comps to files and layer comps to PDF. So if you want to export the layer comps to PDF, you can tap on PDF and do the settings. And if you want the layer comps to be exported as files made with PSD or JPEG or PNG, you can specify that over here. So in destination you can type the destination or browse the location. File name, you can even change the file name from here, and it is going to just add option 1 and 2 in the files. You can tap on selected layer comps only. So now the currently selected layer comp is option 1, but I don't want to export just option 1. I want to export both of these. So I'll just turn it off. So not just selected layer comps, every single layer comp that is present over here is going to get exported. Now the file type is PSD. I can change it to JPEG, PDF or PNG, BMP, whatever I want. And once done, I can just click on run and everything is going to get exported. So as you can see, all of these layer comps are now exported to my device, and I can just present them to my clients or for whom I am working. So well, that's it for today guys. If you found the video to be helpful, please like the video, and in case of any queries or suggestions, please feel free to reach out to me through the comments. With that being said, it's me Agarwal signing off for the day. See you in the next one. Thank you.